Good morning, everyone. This is my morning routine. Usually I will hit the snooze about 30 times until I actually get up. And most of the time it takes me about an hour just to get out of the bed. So I usually just go on YouTube, Instagram, the norm. Once I finally am able to get out of bed, the first thing that I do is coffee. It is a must. The blonde roast from Starbucks is my favorite to use every morning. I also love the nut pods to put in it. It's so good. Definitely try it if you haven't. After I get my coffee in me, I'll just go to my gym and work out for a bit. Play some tunes. Get the workout on if I'm feeling productive that day. Then I will just go and play with my dogs. This is Angel and Gracie, him Bella. Bella definitely likes to play the most out of all of my dogs, so she needs a lot of attention. She's still kind of a puppy. Usually I'll just play with her for a while. Then I will take a shower. I have really been loving the apple cider body wash by Philosophy. It smells so good, great for fall. And the Ouai shampoo and conditioner, it is so good. I've noticed a huge difference in my hair since I've started using the shampoo and conditioner too, so highly recommend it. When I get out, I'll usually just brush my teeth and get ready for the day. Then it is my favorite part, makeup. If you want to see how I do my makeup for the fall, I will link that down below. Then it's time to pick out an outfit, and that is what I am doing right here. And then I pick which perfume I want to wear and I am out the door. Me and my boyfriend decided we were gonna go grab Starbucks for breakfast, of course. He always gets iced black coffee and picks on me because I always get an iced pumpkin spice latte with almond milk, no whip. But hey, it's good. Then we ran to the car wash. My car desperately needed a good wash today. And then we kind of just jammed out while we waited. Well, I jammed out. Then we decided on our way home we were gonna stop off at the pumpkin patch. It was so cute. I love pumpkins, if you don't know that about me. And then I did some last minute errands. I had to get some stuff for my Halloween costume. And there is Bo creeping in the shot. And then I had went home and decided, I'm in a festive mood. Let's bake some pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. And if you want the recipe to that, let me know. It is so good. And they're actually quite healthy, so that's a bonus. That is all I did during my morning that day. I hope you enjoyed my fall morning routine. And don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what else you want to see. Happy fall.
Was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.